What up, baby? Sail away. What's everybody up to? And today we are painting the inside of my car. Alright, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. I am done with the inside, well, semi-inside of what I really want to do to the car. Taking out the carpet and everything that I don't need in there in the 92 Honda Prelude. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment and talk shit, do what it is what you want to do, you know what I'm saying, and make it happen. Work on your cars and show you can see the coronavirus hairdo, you know. Yeah, But yo, everybody have a wonderful day, morning, evening, middle of the night, and stay up. All right, sail away, baby. Let's go.